All right, back in the shop, trying to come up with some things to do today. I know I need to go ahead and get that Mopar 440, like buffed and whatnot, get it in the machine, start boring it type thing. So I think that's what I'm gonna do this morning, start with that thing. I need to check on the block for the LT1 383 I'm gonna do. I have not heard back from them. I called them on Friday and like the father told the son, it's like, hey, I'll make sure I remind him that he needs to do that and this and that, but I still have not heard back from them. I really need that one. That's gonna be an expensive build, and I bought the kit at the end of the month, which means I'm gonna have to pay for it in about another 12 to 13 days. So I need that one gone so I can get paid on it so I can pay the bill on it. Anyways, so I'm probably gonna call them, figure that out. The crank, I'm gonna check because like I dropped that block off on Monday and I still haven't got it back and it's the following Monday. So I don't want to run the risk with this Mopar and getting the crank turned also. If they got a kit for it at the warehouse, I'm just gonna order that so I have it, so I know I can get that one built and have it done this week. I can't have things backing up like that right now. I'm way too busy to get swamped with stuff that's out of my control. So anyways, I think after I check on all that stuff, I need to call the people who I have these motors sitting up here done for again and be like, come get your stuff, people. Like, it's again the end of the month and my bills are due. So I need my money that I invested in your motors so I can stay afloat. All right, anyways, let's see here. I think that's about it. I need to eventually get on those heads where the guy wants to screw in studs I have sitting over here in the floor. He called me on Friday. He dropped them off, like, or he came and got them. I think it was Thursday. He either bought them Thursday or, yeah, he bought them Thursday, I think it was. And then he came back on Friday and was like, hey, have you got those done? I'm like, geez, like, it was 4 o'clock yesterday when we decided to do all this. Like, it's noon the next day. Calm your tits. Anyways, let's see here. I think that's it. I think that's all I'm gonna try to get accomplished today is just get that 440 kit ordered, get that board and honed, and figure out where I'm at on everything else. All right, talk to you in a little bit. Just got off the phone with Comp, went over them, told them like what kind of specs I'm looking for and things like that as far as the cam, and just seeing what they would recommend as a cam. They gave me what they got, so I'm going to take that and reference that against my Erskine book and see what they offer, and then I'm gonna price check the two and see which one I can get cheaper and which one I like better actually and cheaper, and then I will make my decision.
Website that you can start using today. Simply go to www.pbm-earth.
I need to check a price on a, I'll close it down, give me 1 second. It is the K21-223-4 cam kit.
507.73.
All right, thank you.
Thanks.
Thank you.
Bye.
A sales representative will be with you momentarily. However, did you know we have a full e-commerce website that you can start using today? Simply go to www.pbm-person.com to register. We offer only high-quality components and are constantly changing our products to keep up to date with the latest technology and engine combinations. Our experienced and knowledgeable staff is anxious to start recording because of the large volume of calls we are receiving at this time. You know, at Urson Cams, we have developed many new load designs, camshaft technologies, and we continue to develop faster turnaround times on shipments of camshafts and valve train components, improving our commitment to the customer. We appreciate your call, and we'll speak with you shortly.
Premium parts.
I need to put a master kit together for a 1970 HP 440 Mopar. 1154.63.
Yep, and then there should be shipping on the cam and stuff.
Thank you for telling me that, because I get screwed over so often by not knowing that's going to happen and giving a customer a quote.
Right.
On these, that way there I can call back, because I just don't know. I know he 100% I need the kit, but I just need to know whether or not he's going to buy the camshaft I picked out.
Okay, it's 30442919.
All right, I appreciate it.
All right, thanks.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.
You may hang up or press pound for more options.
Oh, there he is. Call me now. Ignore. No, not ignore. Dang it. Wrong button. I ignored his call instead of, I was trying to hang up, and that sucked. Recent. Call him back. Jesus.
Hello?
Hey, this is Michael at Tried Engine Performance.
Hey, Mike, how you doing?
Yeah, I finally got around to looking through the camshafts and everything like that for you, and got something picked out that I think you'll like.
Alright.
The cam itself is a comp cam. It's the K21-223-4. And basically,
Alright.
I spoke with comp themselves, talked it over with them, and it's like, hey, this is what we're looking to do, kind of thing. And it's like, what do you advise that we should go with in order to keep his vacuum, get him in the horsepower range he's wanting, and also it like perform well with his intake? And this is what they recommended to me.
Alright.
The kit itself is roughly about $500, and that'll be like the locks, retainers, valve stem seals, lifters, springs, timing set, and camshaft. But on the actual build itself, because it's like we'll pull the timing set out of the rebuild kit, it'll pull the springs, the camshaft out of it, and the valve seals, kind of thing. So it's technically only $300 more than what the original build would have been.
Alright, that's fine.
Cool deal. So with that, everything said and done, rebuilt, it'll be right at $2,250 all said and done. Well,
Alright.
that's without the run stand,
Yeah.
but just the long block itself.
That's without the running.
Yes. So what did I just say? So 2,000. So we could do 2,500 and call that even. That way I'll give you a little bit of a break on the run stand.
Alright. That works.
25. Cool deal. I'll go ahead and get that ordered, and I've already got it in the machine. I'm getting ready to start boring and honing it now. I got to get the crank turned though. That's one other thing. So it'll go up a little bit on that. It'll probably be about another $100-150.
Yeah.
And I think we're good
Alright.
outside of that.
Alright.
Cool deal.
Sounds good then.
All right, I just wanted to make sure before I went and ordered this kit, I ran it by you.
Yep. Yep. Alright, man. Thanks, man.
All right, thank you.
Yeah.
Bye. I just called you and got that kit. It's the 30442919, I believe it's the quote number. And the customer does want to go with that comp cam kit that I got you to quote it on.
Okay.
So if I can go ahead and place that order, that would be awesome. I need, the bearings are going to be 10 unders on the rods and the mains. I'm going to get them both turned. So we'll do 10 on both of those. The pistons will need to be 30. And I believe that's it, right? You need any more information from me?
No, it's just I'm gonna have to order that cam kit, and then I'm gonna have to get one or two of the parts from a different warehouse. Is that gonna be okay?
Yeah, that's fine.
All right, so I will get this rounded up right now.
I appreciate it.
All right, thank you, sir.
Hey, thank you.
Yep.
Bye.
Bye.
Alright, another vlog has come to an end, which means it's time to smash this like button right here, click on the share button over here, share this vlog with anybody you think might find it interesting, comment down below, let me know what you thought about the vlog. If you haven't yet, make sure you subscribe to my channel, ring the bell, that way there you'll get the notifications, and we will talk with you later. Whoosh.